Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, where we strive to bring you the best advice for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Today, we're going to talk about something that we often take for granted, but is essential to our daily lives: our eyeballs. When we think of strength, we often think of physical strength, such as our muscles. However, our eyeballs are incredibly strong and complex organs that allow us to see the world around us. They are responsible for capturing light and turning it into electrical signals that our brain can interpret, allowing us to see everything from the colors of the rainbow to the faces of our loved ones. But just how strong are our eyeballs? Well, to understand that, we first need to take a closer look at the anatomy of the eye. The eyeball is a spherical structure about 1 inch in diameter, and it is made up of several different parts, including the cornea, iris, lens, and retina. The cornea is the clear outer layer of the eye that helps to focus light. It is made up of several layers of cells and is incredibly strong, able to withstand the pressure of a finger poke or even a small object hitting the eye. The iris is the colored part of the eye that controls the amount of light that enters the eye. It is made up of muscle fibers that contract and relax to adjust the size of the pupil. The lens is a flexible, transparent structure that sits behind the iris and helps to focus light onto the retina. It can change shape to allow us to see objects at different distances. The retina is the innermost layer of the eye, and it contains millions of specialized cells called photoreceptors. These cells detect light and send electrical signals to the brain, which interprets them as visual images. All of these parts work together to create the incredible power of our eyes. But our eyes are not invincible, and they can be susceptible to damage from things like UV radiation, blue light from digital screens, and injury. So, how can we keep our eyeballs strong and healthy? Here are a few tips. 1. Wear sunglasses. Sunglasses are more than just a fashion accessory. They play a vital role in protecting our eyes from harmful UV radiation. UV radiation is a form of electromagnetic radiation that is emitted by the sun, and it can cause a range of eye problems if we are exposed to it for long periods. Over time, exposure to UV radiation can cause damage to the cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye. This can lead to a condition called photokeratitis, which is essentially a sunburn of the eye. Symptoms of photokeratitis include redness, tearing, and a sensation of grittiness in the eyes. Long-term exposure to UV radiation can also increase the risk of developing cataracts, a condition in which the lens of the eye becomes cloudy and can lead to vision loss. It can also increase the risk of developing macular degeneration, a condition that affects the central part of the retina and can lead to permanent vision loss. Wearing sunglasses that block out 100% of UVA and UVB rays is the best way to protect your eyes from UV radiation. UV rays can penetrate the cornea and reach the lens and retina, while UVB rays are absorbed by the cornea and can cause damage to the surface of the eye. Sunglasses that block out both UVA and UVB rays provide the best protection against the harmful effects of UV radiation. When choosing sunglasses, look for those with labels indicating that they provide 100% UV protection. The darkness of the lens does not necessarily indicate the level of UV protection, so be sure to check the label or ask your optometrist for advice. In addition to sunglasses, you can also protect your eyes from UV radiation by wearing a hat with a wide brim that shades your face and eyes. This can help to reduce the amount of UV radiation that reaches your eyes. 2. Take breaks from digital screens. Staring at a screen for long periods can cause eye strain, which is a condition where the muscles that control our eye movements become fatigued and overworked. This can cause discomfort, headaches, and even blurred vision. In addition, prolonged screen time can also lead to dry eyes, which is a condition where the eyes don't produce enough tears to keep them lubricated. To prevent eye strain and dryness, it is essential to take breaks from digital screens regularly. The American Optometric Association recommends following the 20-20-20 rule, which means taking a break every 20 minutes to look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This allows your eyes to rest and refocus, reducing the strain on the eye muscles. 3. Eat a healthy diet. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, and it helps to protect the surface of the eye. Foods that are rich in vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and beef liver. A lack of vitamin A can lead to night blindness, a condition where it is difficult to see in low light conditions. Vitamin C is another important nutrient for eye health. It is an antioxidant that helps to protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Foods that are rich in vitamin C include citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli. A lack of vitamin C can lead to cataracts, a condition where the lens of the eye becomes cloudy and impairs vision. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that can help to protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Foods that are rich in vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocado. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fatty acids that are important for eye health. They are found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds and chia seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids can help to reduce inflammation in the eyes and prevent dry eye syndrome. In addition to these specific nutrients, a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help to maintain overall health and prevent chronic diseases that can affect the eyes, such as diabetes and high blood pressure. 4. Get regular eye exams. Eye exams are not just for people who wear glasses or contact lenses. They are crucial for everyone, regardless of age or vision status. Regular eye exams can help detect any eye problems early on and prevent serious eye conditions from developing. During an eye exam, an eye doctor will check your vision and the overall health of your eyes. They will look for signs of eye diseases, such as glaucoma, cataracts, and macular degeneration, which can develop without any noticeable symptoms. Early detection of these conditions can prevent vision loss and even blindness. An eye exam can also detect underlying health conditions that may affect the eyes, such as diabetes and high blood pressure. These conditions can cause damage to the blood vessels in the eyes and lead to vision loss if left untreated. The frequency of eye exams depends on several factors, including age, family history, and existing eye conditions. As a general rule, children should have their first eye exam at 6 months of age, then at age 3, and again before starting school. After that, they should have an eye exam every 2 years, or more often if recommended by their eye doctor. By taking care of our eyes, we can ensure that they remain strong and healthy for years to come. So, how strong are your eyeballs? They're pretty strong, but they still need our help to stay healthy. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to maintaining strong, healthy eyes. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to Healthy Lifestyle Tips for more great content on living a healthy, happy life. Thanks for watching.